Hairdryers. They come in a variety of sizes, colors, brands, and wattage. As hairstylists, we use these tools every day in the salon. We may even have several at home. But how many of us have thought about the origins of this essential styling tool? Based on my research, a French hairstylist by the name of Alexander Ferdinand Godefroy is cited for inventing the first hairdryer. In 1888, the Le Séchoir, which is French for hairdryer, was invented. It was a large appliance connected to a gas stove. Yes, you heard me right. Today's compact and convenient styling tool began as a device that was a combination between a vacuum cleaner and a hairdryer with a long cap connected to a flexible tube that projected hot air from a gas stove onto the wearer's hair. Alexander, being a wise and insightful kind of guy, created a hairdryer prototype with a valve to release steam in order to prevent his client's head from burning. Various hairdryers were invented after Alexander's initial creation, but it wasn't until 1911 that the hairdryer was patented by an American. His name was Gabriel Kazajian. Gabriel's version of the hairdryer was hand-operated and powered by electricity and had a mechanical airflow. It wasn't until 1920 that the hairdryer became portable. Although these models were portable, they were heavy, weighing around 2 pounds because they were made of metal and had wood handles. The design concerns with the metal hairdryer were that they overheated shortly after use and its wattage was only 100. Hairdryers moved from professional salon use to becoming a mass-produced household item in the 1960s. During this time, hairdryers were redesigned and made with plastic instead of metal. Additional modifications made to the mass-produced hairdryer were that they were lighter, insulated against heat, more affordable, available in more colors, shape, and design. They became safer because the newer versions included a thermostat to regulate temperature of the air so that it did not exceed 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Hairdryers became so popular in the salons and households that the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission created guidelines for hairdryer safety. Did you know that some retro versions of the hairdryer have become collector's items? For example, Mulinex's hairdryer from 1968 Clementine version continues to be a bestseller on e-commerce sites, ranging from $26 to $133. I present to you the first of many vintage hairdryers that I'm starting to collect. This hairdryer was manufactured in the 1950s by Becky Blake. What I like most about this hairdryer is its mint green color. This model is made of metal, has an off and on switch along with hot and cool settings. Its handle is made of wood. I love the details on this handle, from the paint job to the way it's carved. And surprisingly, this hairdryer still works. It works at maybe about 10% of its full capacity. Hardly any air comes out, but that's to be expected for such a vintage piece.